Okay, so we did this chapter a little bit out of order, and we did it that way just to make sure that the super hard stuff was being covered while you were in class. So you have already done lesson 4 because that was something I thought you could handle at home because it was very similar to our one-step equations. It's just that they were inequalities. But I really wanted to make sure to do lesson 5 in class. So if you're at home, you might want to zoom into class to hear it, or do the best you can with this video and zoom in to office hours. Okay? So here's what makes it, Okay. So here's what makes it different than just adding or subtracting. Let's take a look at this statement. 4 is less than 6. That is definitely a true statement. And if I have to multiply both sides by a positive number, say 2, you can pick any number, but I'm going to pick 2. You get a statement 8 is less than 12. And that is also a true statement. The thing that makes this different is that if you take this true statement and you multiply it by a negative number, we'll say in this case, -2, you get -8 is less than -12. Thinking about your number line, here's 0, -2, -4. We're getting smaller as we go to the left. Here's 8, -8. Here's -12. -8 is bigger. So we've created a statement that is not true, which means we need a rule because all of this other building blocks we've done from algebra has worked. So here's your rule. When you multiply by a negative, you must flip the inequality sign. I'm going to call it a symbol, the inequality symbol. So in this case, you had -8 is less than -12. This symbol has to be flipped. -8 is greater than -12. Now it's true. That happens when you multiply by a negative number. Let's see if that's still true when you divide. Let's try dividing by a +2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Is 2 less than 3? Yes, that inequality statement holds. Let's divide by a -2. 4 divided by -2 is -2, and 6 divided by -2 is -3. Is -2 less? Here's 0, -1, -2, -3. -3 is less. So again, that inequality statement doesn't hold. So when you divide by a negative, you must flip the inequality symbol, okay, to make a true statement. When you multiply or divide by a positive, everything's the same. It's just when you multiply or divide by a negative. The rest of the notes will be on the next video.